How to reverse a video in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and import the video that you want to reverse. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on it to bring up the editing options. Next, look for the reverse option above the video and tap on it. The app will process your video and reverse its playback automatically. After the reverse effect is applied, preview your video to ensure it plays exactly as you want. You can also combine the reversed clip with other edits like speed changes, music, or effects for a more creative result. Reversing videos can add a fun or dramatic effect, making your content more engaging for viewers. You can also use reversed clips in combination with transitions to create unique storytelling effects. Once satisfied, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, export your reversed video and save it to your device or share it directly on social media. Now you know how to reverse a video in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.